The purpose of this tutorial is to demonstrate how to view blog entries from a student perspective. First, access a blog. Go into Tools, click on Blogs, and click on a blog name. About this blog summarizes the type of blog, course, or individual, shows the number of entries and the number of comments. Blog grade. If grading is enabled for the blog, the section will be visible on the right hand. Students can only see their own grading information and can easily hide it by clicking blog grade. When the instructor has finished grading their blog participation, a score will show up next to a grade, and the grade date will be visible. The feedback section isn't used by all instructors. If comments are present here, it is confidential comments to each individual user, unlike commenting made on the individual blog entries that are visible to everyone. More blogs is available in individual blogs. This area lists the name of students who have entries created in their own blog page. Note that if a student has no entries, his or her name will not be present on the list of students. To view an individual blog, click on the user's name. The number of entries is indicated next to the user's name. When viewing a course blog, the More Blogs section will not be present. Instead, you'll view entries by. This area lists each person who has posted an entry or entries in the blog. All is the default view that will show an existing posts on the page in date order, the most recent on top. Each name listed under All is clickable and acts as a collected feature that gathers all posts from that one person on the page. Each user will have the number of entries they've created to the right of their name. Legend. At the bottom of the page, you'll notice that there is a legend. When you leave a blog, new entries and comments might be added. When you return, the push pin will be next to the user's name, indicating new entries have been added. The talk bubble indicates that new comments have been added. This helps users quickly target new content without having to sort through all entries. Comments. Students can comment on each other's blog entries. Under each post on the page, there's a comment button in the lower right corner. Users, including students, instructors, and TAs, can click on the comment button and type their comments regarding the specific entry. There is no formatting toolbar, just a spell check at the bottom. When you finish your comments, click Add.